Chapter 6, Decimals. Understanding decimals. In this chapter, we will study only those fractions whose denominator is either 10 or multiples of 10. That is, 10, 100, 1000. These fractions are called decimal fractions. They are also called decimal numbers. We know fractional number is equal to numerator upon denominator. Now decimal fraction or decimal number is equal to numerator upon 10, 100, 1000. Examples: decimal fraction is equal to 1 upon 10, 2 upon 100, 3 upon 1000, etc. A decimal number has two parts: A, whole number part, B, decimal part. These parts are separated by a dot called decimal point. We can represent a decimal fraction 1 upon 10 as a decimal. 1 upon 10 is equal to 0.1. Decimal part. Whole number part, decimal point. 1 upon 10 is represented as 0.1 as decimals. In fraction, it is called 1/10. 1 upon 100 is represented as 0.01 as decimals. In fraction, it is called 1/100th. 1 upon 1000 is represented as 0.001 as decimal. In fraction, it is called 1000th. Rule: the decimal point is placed depending upon the number of zeros in the denominator. If the denominator has 1 0, then the decimal point is placed after one digit from the right in the numerator. If the denominator has 2 zeros, then decimal point is placed after 2 digits in the numerator from the right. Let us consider a fraction 451 upon 100. Here, denominator has 2 zeros. So the point will be placed after 2 digits from the right of the digit in numerator. We can represent the fraction 451 upon 100 as 4.51, where 4 whole number point decimal point. Then comes 51 decimal part. We see that the decimal point separates the whole number and decimal parts. To the left of decimal point is the whole number and to the right of decimal point is the decimal part. Let us recollect how to write the expanded form of a number. Example: express 6789 in its expanded form. Solution: expanded form is equal to 6000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 9. 6700's 8 10's 9 1's. Example: express 6.789 in its expanded form. Solution: expanded form is equal to 6 plus 7 upon 10 plus 8 upon 100 plus 9 upon 1000. 6 1's 7 10's 800's 9000's. Place value chart. We put the number 6.789 in a place value chart and study 67.89 and 678.9 on the place value chart. Representation of decimals on the number line. Example 1. Represents 0.5 on a number line. Solution: 0.5. The number is greater than 0. The number is less than 1. The number lies in between 0 and 1. Divide the length from 0 to 1 in 10 equal parts. So one part will be 1 upon 10 is equal to 0.1. And 5 parts will be 5 upon 10 is equal to 0.5. Thus 0.5 is represented on the number line. How to read decimal numbers? Digits after the decimal are read individually. Examples: A. 4.45 is read as 4.45 and not 4.45. B. 237.789 is read as 237.789 and not 237,789. Equivalent decimals. Like equivalent fractions, there are equivalent decimals too. Let us take 0.4. 0.4 is equal to 4 upon 10. So, 0.4 is equal to 4 upon 10. Multiply 10 upon 10 is equal to 40 upon 100. Is equal to 0.40. Is equal to 4 upon 10 multiply 100 upon 100 is equal to 400 upon 1000 is equal to 0.400. Similarly, 0.5 is equal to 5 upon 10 is equal to 5 multiply 10. Upon 10 multiply 10 is equal to 50. Upon 100 is equal to 0.50. Is equal to 5 upon 10 is equal to 5 multiply 100 upon 10 multiply 100 is equal to 500 upon 1000 is equal to 0.500. So, 0.4, 0.40, 0.400 are equivalent decimals. And 0.5, 0.50, 0.500 are equivalent decimals. Like and unlike decimals. Like decimals. Decimal numbers having the same number of digits after the decimal point are called like decimals. For example, 2.3, 23.4, 234.5 are like decimals since all of them have one digit after decimal point. Similarly, 23.45, 234.5, 6, 3.78 are like decimals since all of them have two digit after decimal point. Unlike decimals, decimals having different number of digits after the decimal point are called unlike decimals. Examples: 3.6, 36.65, 321.65, 7 are unlike decimals. Since 3.6 has only one digit after decimal point. 36.65 has two digits after decimal point. 321.65, 6 has three digits after decimal point. Converting unlike decimals into like decimals. We convert the unlike decimals into like decimals by adding zeros after the last digit to the right of the decimal point. We have earlier studied that adding zeros after the last digit to the right of decimal point does not change the value of decimal numbers. 3.6 is equal to 3.60, 3 digits after decimal point. 36.65 is equal to 36.650, 3 digits after decimal point. 321.657 is equal to 321.657, 3 digits after decimal point. So, 3.600, 36.650, 321.657 are like decimals since all of them have three digits after decimal point. Comparison of decimals. The following steps are to be followed to compare the decimals. 1. Find out if all the decimals are like decimals, since we cannot compare an unlike decimal with a like decimal. 2. If the decimals are not like decimals, convert all the decimals into like decimals. 3. Compare the whole numbers, i.e. numbers to the left of decimal point. 4. The decimal number with greater whole number is greater. 5. If the whole numbers are equal, then we compare the tenth part, the digit lying just after the decimal point. The decimal with greater tenth part is greater. 6. If the tenth parts are equal, then compare the hundredth parts. The decimal part having greater hundredth part is greater. 7. If the hundredth parts are equal, we compare the thousandth parts and so on. Example 1. Compare 19.25 and 20.50. Solution. Here the whole numbers of the decimals are 19 and 20. Since 20 greater than 19, so the decimal number 20.50 greater than 19.25. Example 2. Compare 23.78 and 23.88. Solution. A. Both the numbers have same whole parts. B. 23.78 has 7 in the 10th place. 23.8, it has 8 in the 10th place. Since 8 greater than 7, so 23.8, 8 greater than 23.78. Example 3. Compare 32.69 and 32.62. Solution. A. Both the whole number parts are equal. B. Both the tenth parts are same. C. Hundredth part in 32.69. 9. Hundredth part in 32.62. 2. D. Since 9 greater than 2, so 32.69 greater than 32.62.